Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Sam Matthews, and I'm a solutions architect with Databricks. And today I'm going to be showing two joint kind of similar capabilities in the platform called Genie and AI BI, which are both kind of business intelligence, low-code visualization tools that get you analyzing data faster with no code required. Today, I'm going to just kind of get right into it. You'll see I'm using this open student enrollment data set from the state of Washington from the 23-24 school year. I've actually already put it in the platform, and you can see that the data set is robust. It has all of these different demographic and socioeconomic traits across all of the enrolled students, as well as more kind of basic information like their grade level or their school district. And as an analyst, I want to start understanding kind of demographics and how this is segmented. And as a visual person, I'm going to start with our AI BI dashboard. So you can see I can click up in here. I could connect to some sort of visualization tool outside of Databricks. Today, I'll use our tailored and targeted AI BI capability in the platform. And the platform is able to, looking at this data set that it's never seen before, give me kind of a skeleton with which to start my dashboard. Everything is drag and drop. You can see it's highly flexible. And the platform, importantly, is also prompting me based off of its understanding of this data set, how I might interestingly and kind of visualize it and get into the actual weeds of what's going on. So today, for example, I'll click enrollment by county and see what it gives us. You'll see you can select on the right different kinds of visualizations. Again, no code is required. It's all point and click. And it's giving me the opportunity to accept or reject the output from our intelligence engine. I'll go ahead and accept it. I'll scroll down to give us a better visualization. And you can see that I'm already getting started understanding, the total enrollment. For example, that King County is significantly larger than all the other counties combined. This isn't limited specifically to specific types of visualizations. I'll create a new one right here. Maybe we want to do a pie chart instead of a bar chart in this example. And maybe we'll do something a little bit more specific. I'll say, show me a pie chart of low-income students, total low-income students by grade level. And the platform will take that query, it'll turn it into code behind the scenes, which then will create this visualization. You can see it's nice and flexible again. I'll go ahead and accept it. And interestingly here, this shows me that in the data, there's not only each individual grade, but there's also an all grades level, which adds up to the total sum of all grades, of course. I'm actually going to kind of just filter that out. You can see that the visualizations are highly customizable. So I'll click in here. I'll go down to grade level. And then I can speak to specific grades that I might be interested in showing. And today I'm just going to show everything that's kind of first grade through 12th grade. I'm not going to include, say, kindergarten. I'm not going to include all grades. And now we have this great kind of pie chart visualization of all of these different grade levels across all counties. I might be interested also in creating dynamic filters. So I can just click here and add my filter and drag it across, and it'll automatically start applying to these visualizations as I see fit. Today, I might be interested in selecting multiple values, and I'll take a look, say, at maybe the district name as opposed to the county or the grade level. And I'll click district name here. AI BI is intelligently inferring all of the possible district values from our data set. You can see I can select different districts and the visualizations will automatically update. And this is useful because I'm able to then slice and dice across different counties and see which school districts map to which counties. Or in this case, I can also look at, how the grade levels differ between Pierce or Chelan, right? So all of this is highly clickable, highly customizable. And again, you can see I'm getting to analysis of my data without any code right off the bat. I'm going to switch back to the data behind our visualization, and you can see it's all accessible within our kind of AI BI visualization dashboard. And then I'm going to go to our catalog, and it'll give me quick access to that same exact table we were just looking at. Should look familiar to like what we started with today. Instead of doing a dashboard, maybe I want to ask more specific, intelligible questions that our large language model in the platform can help me answer. I'll click into Genie, which you see in front of you now. You see it's a conversational interface. It's not the same thing as a conventional large language model or a chatbot. This is a highly quantitative business analyst that will help you understand and analyze your data in a way that is much more targeted, specific, and quantitative than, say, a bread and butter kind of pre-trained large language model. You'll see that Genie kind of prompted me first to just show 20 rows in the table, but maybe I want to do more specific questions. I can say, show me the top 10 school districts by total student enrollment. And again, Genie has never seen this data before up until this exact session, and it's able to, in kind of light speed, analyze the data, understand your question, and then give you the answers that are exact to what you're looking for. And you can see in this case, it's given me this great visualization that's tabular again, highly quantitative. I can copy this data, I can download it as a spreadsheet, I can share it with anyone in the platform. I can then intelligently tell Genie that this was a good response. And this means that next time I ask a similar question like this, Genie will be even better and faster at providing me with my response. If I want to then use this as code, I can show the generated code. And you can see that Genie took my question up here, show me the top 10 school districts, and created this SQL query all on its own, and then visualized it for me behind the scenes. I can also do even more. I might be interested in seeing specific data, say, to Kent School District, which is our 5th largest district here. And I'll say, show me total students in Kent School District who qualify as either low income, unhoused, or military parent. And these are, again, just demographic traits that are in our data set. And you can see that Genie is able to do a much more targeted analysis and give me a quantitative answer right off the bat. It takes that, it maps it out, and then it gives me the total number of students who qualify for these 3 special traits specifically within Kent School District. And you can also intelligently see that I can then try to visualize this so I have a better understanding. I could create, say, a bar chart. And in this case, it's very apparent, for example, in Kent County, that low income is by far the largest demographic among the kind of demographics I was looking at today. So again, this is just a taste of our AI BI tools. But between dashboards, which are really easy to point and click and create and to share and to visualize and to do so without code, and then Genie, which is our targeted low code analysis tool, you have the power of AI at your fingertips to really get started and to really start creating quick, compelling, and accurate outputs in the Databricks platform. Thanks for your time and attention today. Hopefully you enjoy.